हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट से आने वाली पिक्चर के बारे में। A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for dog,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
E for elephant,
F for frog,
F for frog,
G for grapes,
G for grapes,
H for hen,
H for hen,
I for ice cream,
I for ice cream,
J for juice,
J for juice,
K for key,
K for key,
L for loin,
L for loin,
M, N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X,
M for monkey,
N for monkey,
N for nest,
N for nest,
O for orange,
O for orange,
P for parrot,
P for parrot,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for rat,
R for rat,
S for ship,
S for ship,
T for tree,
T for tree,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
V for van,
V for van,
W for watch,
W for watch,
X for Xmas tree,
X for Xmas tree,
Y,
Y,
Z,
Z,
Y for yak,
Y for yak,
Z for zoo,
Z for zoo,